Welcome back to another mountain road ride, gravel ride of the week. This time around, we are here at the Salamander Resort in Middleburg, Virginia for the Loudoun 1725 Gravel Grinder. This event was not a race, but instead offered riders the opportunity to experience the beautiful and historic gravel roads of Loudoun County through a well-organized and fully supported event. Hosted by EX2 Adventures, this event is now in its third year and attracted its biggest field to date, with nearly 600 riders registered for the various distances. Follow along as I take you for a spin through this incredible part of Virginia with its amazing country gravel roads.
Alright, have a great time everybody. We'll see you when you come back, alright?
We're on to the first gravel roads just outside of Middleburg right now. This one is called Snake Hill. It's definitely a local favorite for cutting into Middleburg, and the beautiful country views have definitely already started. We're into horse country today, and we might even find a few along the route. But look at this, this is gorgeous. Nice. The beautiful Loudoun gravel roads continue. The small village of Unison has featured in a few of my past Gravel Ride of the Week videos, and this time the tranquil country roads once again made its appearance. Next up, the route made its way over to Bloemont and the mountain views that you'll find in this area. Pit stop time. Let's see what snacks riders could dig into at one of the many water points. I think by now you would have seen some of these historic stone fences that are just scattered everywhere along this route, and it's just another sign of the history that sits behind these roads. It is pretty amazing to think that we are riding on some of these roads that date back to the 1700s. Woo! Thank you. Yeah, so today's ride is the perfect training ride for me right now. This 60-mile ride puts me right at the distance that I'm going to be racing at in a few weeks. I'm going to be doing the Gravista race in Buena Vista in Virginia, and that one's going to have some serious climbing in it. Crazy climb. So today's short, sharp accelerations are not exactly the best training ride for that, but the distance is all that I need. Good endurance exercise, tap out the pace. So be sure to look out for that Gravista highlights after the June event as well. Yep, there was a fairly deep ford along this route, and yes, I decided to take the easy way out and carry my bike through. I like how a fellow rider put it. Save the bearings.
Save the bearings.
Hats off to those who rode through. The next point of interest along this route came in the form of the Phillips General Store. Definitely a place to stop if you ever ride in this area.
Just about to the finish. What a ride. What a really fun ride. Yeehaw. Alright, so that brings us to the end of another mountain road ride, gravel ride of the week. I hope you enjoyed this spin along with me on the beautiful roads of Loudoun County for this Loudoun 1725 gravel grinder event. This is something that's right in my backyard, so I particularly enjoyed being out there with so many other cyclists on this day. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a like and do subscribe to this channel. We'll be back with lots more gravel ride of the week videos in the future. Until next time, I'm Vian. Enjoy your ride.